So I found this voltage meter on Amazon for $16.99 on Prime, and it's plugs into your cigarette lighter. It's a voltage meter, has a USB port, and then a fast charging Type C port. But it works pretty good. Let me show you. It will my car has a voltage reading on it too. Well, it's pretty accurate with my car. See, right now it's getting up to 13.54. My car says 13.6. I don't know if you can see that. 13.6. 13.53. So it's pretty accurate, and I'm pretty happy with it. So 13.67, 13.7. So pretty accurate. So you don't have to hardwire anything, just plug it into your cigarette lighter.